Hello there, friends. If you are trying to locate your downloaded files or documents on an Android device, you can easily do it using the built-in file manager called My Files. Most Android phones store documents in a few common locations, so once you understand where to look, finding anything becomes simple. First, swipe up on your home screen to open the app drawer. Find and tap the My Files app, usually inside the Samsung folder on Samsung devices. Once opened, you will see different categories such as images, videos, audio, and documents. Tap on Documents to view all text files, PDFs, and Office files stored on your phone. For a more complete list, go back and tap Internal Storage under Storage Locations. Then open the Download folder where all files saved from browsers, apps, and messaging platforms are stored together. This method helps you find anything even if it does not appear in the category view. Many Android devices also allow quick search. You can use the search bar inside My Files and type the name of the file you are looking for. This is useful when you have too many downloads and don't want to scroll manually. Overall, Android keeps all your files organized in one place, making it easy to access documents anytime you need them. You can also connect your phone to a computer using a USB cable and open the download folder directly for easier file management and backup purposes. This is helpful when transferring large files or organizing storage more efficiently. With these simple steps, you can always find your documents quickly and without confusion. Everything is just a few taps away on Android devices. Organizing files regularly also helps keep your storage clean and fast. Always recommended practice.